Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. We now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said that we are pledge of allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I said that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play.
My name is Michael Davis from North Central. I'm voting for the Jamaica Labour Party from I'm 18. I'm at 67 now. And I do have no eternity to turn back. My greatest concern is we went to Belmont Road last week, Monday. We had a meeting with Dr. Chang. I said to Dr. Chang, so when Ardley Shaw was opposing against Andrew for the leadership, we had a runoff. So why we can't have the runoff now? Him tried to come with some bamboozle style of beat round the bush and said, this Sunday, you're going to have a meeting at Belmont Road with some hierarchy. Mr. Seabright will be there, and from there, we're going to know who is the representative. All that came out of the meeting is Delano is not contesting, Christian is not contesting. So, who is the representative? It's like they want to parachute somebody and us, nick a time, overnight, it's not digested. That's for me.
How do you feel about, the fact that go up again? Do you also feel, can Mr. Samuda go up again? Can Mr. Samuda happy go up again the next general election?
I don't have no problem if Mr. Samuda is going up back, but the fact of the matter is, Dr. Chang told us we're going to know who is going to go up yesterday. We hear nothing like that. So we are on a stand-up. We cannot digest this no more. We need to know what is going on. It's like you're going to play a football match and the football match is tomorrow. So you pick up one team overnight. That not going to work. We need somebody that we can gravitate to, go around with, talk to, and stuff like that. We are running out of time, Andrew Holness. Prime Minister, know what you're going to do, you know. Bangaranga go on in North Central, you know. Okay.
Of JLP supporters at the party's Belmont Road headquarters on Sunday for the top-level meeting. A number of JLP officials were also spotted on the premises. Among them, the current MP for North Central St. Andrew, Carl Samuda.
I know exactly what you are worth and I don't want you here. I don't want the Prime Minister to come and say that my constituents are out here. Please, go home. Okay, Mr. Sir. I didn't come here expecting to see people gathered here. Those days in the Labour Party are over.
Tension has been high in North Central St. Andrew since Mr. Samuda announced he would not be seeking re-election. In one corner, some supporters want Deputy Chairman of the constituency, Senator Delana Seabright, to get the seat. For others, attorney-at-law Christian Tavares Finson should get the nod. There was also speculation that Mr. Seabright, who has been working in the constituency for quite some time, was being sidelined. That fueled heated exchanges and threats of street protests, forcing Mr. Seabright to hit pause on campaign activities. Following Sunday's meeting, A release indicated that Mr. Seawright and Mr. Tavares Finson have formally withdrawn their application to be selected as the party's candidate. TVJ News understands that Mr. Seawright announced the withdrawal in person, but Mr. Tavares Finson sent a letter with his father, veteran politician and attorney-at-law Tom Tavares Finson. The release further states that the party's secretariat will now consult with key stakeholders in the coming weeks to restart the process of finalizing a candidate.
I'm satisfied with the meeting because, you see, the Prime Minister capsuled everything in the appropriate way and gave the appropriate advice.
Mr. Samuda has been MP for North Central St. Andrew since 1980, winning on both the JLP and PNP tickets. It's left to be seen how the matter will be settled as the party struggles to maintain unity ahead of the general election. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News. A handful
parachute nobody power you overnight. We want one Delano sleep right with this right. All right. Cannot parachute nobody power you overnight. We want one Delano sleep right with this right. All right.
I am standing up for her. I am her Esther today. I am standing up for her because she's not able to stand up for herself. Her voice alone will not be heard as loudly as these hundreds of voices. So we are here in solidarity to show support for her as nurses of all different ranks, to show her that we love her, that we support her, and that she has nothing to be embarrassed about. She has nothing to be ashamed about. He, the abuser, is the one who needs to be ashamed and embarrassed, not her. And we are standing up. This is zero tolerance, and we are standing behind her. We are standing with her, and we are standing for her. Zero tolerance. And I am standing up for her.
We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. man who joined in his path. So his own native land, land of my birth, I pledge to thee, loyal faith.
Oh, no, go on the first promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly, cause when they win them a go dump way. Market G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in a the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do a wedding call the election. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them